Let's start at the top here, and we want to go up a little bit and sort of across and down a little bit like that. And then we're going to do the sides of our sky lantern, which we can send up into the sky like that. And then down here we're going to have an ellipse, the opening, and we'll have our little bit of cotton woolly stuff like that with a bit of wire that's holding it, and you've got your flames inside there. And then we want to have this sort of coming down there and up there like that. We maybe have a few little kind of foldy marks, a few little things, marks like that. And let's put a symbol on here, and this is the Chinese symbol for sky. So we'll come down like that, and another one across like that, and down a bit, and then we want to flare out like that, and that will come up to there, and that will come to there, and then we just shade that all in, and then we can maybe put some sort of floating marks like that. We could put the moon, couldn't we? A very thin crescent moon. And what about some clouds, just to make it look like it's sort of floating up there, and we can just put some little bits of shading in there just to make it look like clouds. Then all you need to do is colour it in and subscribe to Draw Stuff Real Easy. Thanks for watching, and keep coming back for lots more videos.